Service learning is an instructional strategy I use that employs critical thinking with a desired learning concept, but also adds a real-world issue to address or to tackle, and thus devise a solution or create an awareness, thereby the service for my students. In this example, you're going to see the students are using technology, laptops, as well as PowerPoint software, Microsoft Office PowerPoint, a audio recording software called Audacity. And the students used those two pieces to create a presentation to persuade, which is the writing application piece, to persuade a selected audience about an Earth Day awareness issue that's based upon forest habitats as well as pond habitats, which are the science content areas we have to address in 3rd grade. Also a tool that I found very effective in allowing peer editing, which is often a tool used in service learning where you work in groups or collaborations, is the use of sticky notes, but not just regular sticky notes, sticky note cards that have the construction board quality, but also it has the stickiness of it that allows the students to, allows me and the students to manipulate their thoughts around and still be able to have them written well. And what you'll find with this activity is that the students are going to use one sticky note card to assess the audience that the student's photo story finished piece is striving to target, as well as the message or the purpose, and being able to use another note card to see if they can determine the purpose of the selected message. In the activity that you just witnessed, you saw the students again use the technology tool, the software Photo Story, that had a combination of their visual element that they created in Microsoft PowerPoint, but then also their audio element that they created using Audacity to convey their message that focuses on the learning skill of persuasive writing, which is a writing application for 3rd grade. Now again, the message of their service learning message there for this particular piece they created focused on creating awareness about an Earth issue that is affecting the habitats, another learning area that we studied in 3rd grade, but looking at it from an approach of their finished piece, the audience, what audience is being addressed, and if the message then, according to up here, they believe that the message actually targeted that audience and even targeted that audience well. Now with the note cards, the student wrote down the audience they predicted and also the message and how that was being conveyed. And once the student whose work was edited, they could take these notes and then determine what has to be done to their piece to maximize the audience and the purpose. Or if it's perfectly done and they don't need to adjust it, they can move on to the next part of their service learning project. In this case, I'll actually get these note cards and I can move these around, on my different areas to let me know who's completed with that phase of service learning or who else needs my attention so that they can move to the completion stage of their service learning project.